Hi everyone! In this video, I will show you how to convert denary or decimal number to binary number. Okay, let's start with the first example. Let's say we have 13. So let's enclose this with this parenthesis and let's have a superscript 10 just to show you that this number is base 10 or denary or decimal number. And we will convert this to a binary number. These are the steps that we have to follow when we are converting denary to binary number. So let's divide this number by 2 by this base 13 divided by 2 and we'll get 6. 6 times 2 is 12. 13 minus 12 is 1. And then whatever quotient we got, we will divide it again by 2. 6 divided by 2, it will give us 3. 3 times 2 is 6, and we'll have 0 as the remainder. We will continue this division until we get a 0 quotient here. Again, this 3, we have to divide it by 2, and we'll have 1 here. 1 times 2 is 2. The remainder is 1. So we have this quotient 1. We will divide it again by 2, and 1 divided by 2 will get 0. 0 times 2 is 0, and then we will have 1 minus 0, which is 1. And we will take note of these remainders. We will read it from right to left. So we will read it as 1101. So we will write the equivalent value of 13 here as 1101. So this is the equivalent value of 13 in decimal to binary. Now, let's have another example, number 25. Okay, so this is base 10 or denary number, and we want to convert it to a binary number. We will follow the same procedure. This 25, we will divide it by 2. We'll get 12. Okay, 12 times 2 is 24. 25 minus 24, we'll get 1 as remainder. And then we will divide this 12 again by 2. We'll get 6. 6 times 2 is 12. 12 minus 12 is 0. And then we will divide this 6 by 2 again. It will give us 3. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. This 3 is divided by 2 again. Okay, 3 divided by 2 will get 1. 1 times 2 is 2. It will give us remainder 1. We will divide this 1 by 2. 1 divided by 2, it will give us 0. 0 times 2 is 0, and then 1 minus 0 is 1. And then we will read it from the last remainder to the first remainder. So we'll have 11001. 11001. Okay, take note that we must read it from the last remainder to the first remainder. You can also check whether this one is correct or not by using the place value. So we have here 11001. Okay, this number. Okay, remember that the place value of this bit is 2 to the 0, and this is 2 to the 1, this is 2 to the 2, this is 2 to the 3, and this is 2 to the 4. We are multiplying this 1 by this, but we know that this is equal to 1. And this 0, we multiply to this, it will give us 0. 0 multiplied by this, it will give us 0. Okay, this 2 to the 3 is equal to 8, and this 2 to the 4 is equal to 16. Remember, we are multiplying each bit to its place value. So, okay, this 1 times 1 will give us 1, and this 1 times 8 will give us 8, and this 1 times 16 will give us 16. We will just add these products, and it will give us 25. It means that this is correct conversion from denary to binary. So that's it.